Welcome. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete all of your saved posts on Instagram all at once. Okay, so you can do this on your Android or iOS. And if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your Instagram app and then go to your profile. And then you want to click these three little lines on the upper right side of your screen. And then as you can see here, there is a option called save. Click on that and then click here. And then as you can see on the upper right side of your screen, there is a three little dots. You want to click on that and then click select and then click all of the posts that you want to unsave, and then click unsave and click again the unsave, and then there you have it. All of your saved posts is removed. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.